Hey, hello, Alanis. Today we're going to learn about the landscapes. Okay, landscapes, we refer to landscapes to paisajes. Okay, the meaning of landscape is paisajes. So repeat, please. Paisajes. Okay, right, please. Paisajes. Landscape, paisajes. Okay, please take out your highlighter. I'm going to start reading and let's highlight the most important information that we have, okay? So we have types of landscape. We have two types of landscape. We have natural landscape and we have man-made landscape. Natural, man-made. Man-made is hecho por el hombre, okay? Natural and man-made landscapes. Okay, I'm going to start reading now. Natural landscapes have many natural features such as hills and rivers. Highlight. Natural landscape have many natural features such as hills and rivers. Some natural landscape became protected natural reserve, okay? So the natural reserve, for example, we have the Galapagos Island. They are nature reserves, okay? Because it have to be protected. Let's go to the next one. People often create or modify landscape. Man-made landscape has many artificial features such as buildings and roads. Highlight. Man-made landscapes have many artificial features such as buildings and roads. Construcciones y calles, buildings and roads, okay? The buildings and roads are made from a man, okay? Son hechos por el hombre. Okay, here we have a photo. The Grand Canyon is a famous nature reserve in the United States, okay? This is the Grand Canyon. Let's go to the natural landscape. In the natural landscape, we have the reliefs is the landscape. So we know that the reliefs is the landscape. The landscape are the mountains, valleys, and plains, all for part of an area relief, okay? So the mountains, the valleys, and the plains are part of the relief, okay? Then we have the climate. The climate refers to the temperature, rainfall, and wind in an area over a long period of time. ¿Cómo es el clima en ese lugar? ¿Ok? Se refiere al clima, dice temperature, the rainfall, las lluvias, and the wind. ¿Ok? The wind, el viento. In an area over a long period of time. ¿Ok? Esto no va a cambiar en mucho tiempo, a long period of time that we understand by the climate. Then we have rivers, lakes, and seas influence landscape. Okay, we have the rivers, lakes, and seas influence the landscapes. Rivers, ríos, lakes, lagos, seas, mares. Rivers, lakes, and seas influence the landscape. The next one, we have the plants in an area are its vegetation. Plants in an area are its vegetation, and the animals in an area are its fauna. Okay, the animals in an area are its fauna. Excellent. So we know about the natural landscape and the man-made landscape, okay? The natural are all the things that we can see in nature, and the man-made are all the things that a man or people do, okay? And the natural landscape, we can find the reliefs, the climate, rivers, lakes, and seas, the vegetation, and the fauna. Let's go to the next one. We're going to study about the types of soil. Okay, suelo, tipos de suelo, types of soil. Soil is the layer of ground where plants and animals live. Highlight. Soil is the layer of ground where plants and animals live. Okay. Soil is made up of different materials such as rocks and water. Fallen leaves and the remains of living things also became part of the soil. Highlight. Fallen leaves, las hojitas caídas, and the remains, los desperdicios o los desechos of living things also became part of the soil. Ok. Entonces entendemos que aquí todas las obras, todos los desperdicios de los seres vivos forman parte del suelo, van a dar nutrientes al suelo, ¿ok? Then we have, there are different types of soil. For example, we have granite soils are hard and rocky, but clay soils are soft and fertile. We have the limey soil is not very fertile. We find it near the limestones. Okay, now let's go to the part of can you. Okay, we're going to highlight the correct word, okay, for each sentence. We have soil is important or unimportant for life on earth. Entonces, soil, el suelo, is important or is unimportant, is not important for life on earth. So we're going to choose the correct answer. In this case, it's going to be important. So please highlight important. But is very fragile or strong? Okay, we're going to think a little bit. The soil is fragile or strong, fuerte, strong. Okay, if we don't take care of the soil is not going to give enough nutrients for living things. So the soil is fragile. Si no le cuidamos, el suelo no nos va a dar los suficientes nutrientes. Entonces, por ende, no vamos a poder tener alimentos, ¿ok? Entonces, tenemos que cuidarle mucho. The soil is fragile, ¿ok? Number 2, let's go to number 2. The rain changes in temperature or fauna. Let's think a little bit. The rain, la lluvia, changes in temperature or fauna, and human activity can harm the soil. So the best option to complete this sentence is temperature. Very good. So the rain changes in temperature and human activity can harm, pueden dañar, harm the soil. Very good, excellent. So let's go to number 3. Dice, we can protect it by taking care of vegetation and not cleaning or polluting the soil. Let's think a little bit. It's going to be not cleaning or polluting. Okay, the best option for this is going to be polluting. ¿Cómo podemos cuidar? How can we take care of vegetation? Not polluting the soil. Very good. No vamos a contaminar el suelo. Not polluting the soil. Excellent. Very good. So let me go to here.